Sam is the hero next door. Driving down the busy street, greeting people that he meets. Someone could be in a jam, so hurry, hurry, Fireman Sam. He's always on the scene, Fireman Sam. And his engine's bright and clean, Fireman Sam, you cannot ignore. Sam is the hero next door.
Fireman Sam's just arrived home after work, but it doesn't look as though he's staying very long.
We're here! Uncle Sam! Hello! Oh, you're here already?
Yeah, for a great adventure in the wilds.
Well, I'm nearly ready too. Now, where did I put that mallet?
Uncle Sam,
Here it is. Oh, yes, silly me.
Oh, what have I done to deserve this? All I want is a cup of tea, and I have to come all the way downstairs to fetch the tea bags. Hey! What's my tea caddy doing here? Norman! What's more, it's full of holes. Norman! Oh! Oh, my goodness! Norman, you come here this minute. You hear me now? What's the matter, Mom? What's the matter?
Oh, Ferdinand! How did you get in there?
What do you mean, how did he get in there? Do you think I don't know how he got in there?
steady, Norman.
Oh, sorry, Fireman Sam.
I'll give you Ferdinand, Norman. Come back here this minute.
Morning, dear Liz.
Horrible little thing. Making me jump like that.
Do you mean Norman?
I beg your pardon?
Yes, dear Liz. Well, now look, here's a list. I hope you've got everything.
Of course I have. Sausages. Eggs. Beans. Having a party then?
Well, no, not exactly.
Oh, already then, is it?
You could say that. How much?
Oh, £3.43. So, one chocolate milk shake.
Oh, smashing!
Mind your manners, Norman.
Oh, Trevori, you're so polite.
I know.
Oh, bad throat, is it? Sounds like you've got a frog in it. Hello, Trevor. I thought we'd find you here.
We'd like a ride, Mr. Evans. To Pandy Lane, please.
Oh, right. Well, I was just having a quick cup of tea. Why, am I late? We're just leaving now. I'll be right with... Oh, my hat!
Mamma mia! The hat! Up!
Hey, come back here, you. I said... Hey, now look. Come back here. Come back!
Thanks, Mr. Evans. Thanks for the lift.
No, hang on a minute. I think I should give you a hand with this tent, Sam. Well, I'm sure we can manage, you know, Trevor. No, we'll have it up in no time. Old Baden Powell's had nothing on me.
Right. Another peg by here, Sam. Just a minute, Trevor. Oh. I'll just have a quick check inside. Soon be up, kids. Hello? Oh, drat.
Need a peg, Fireman Sam?
Where do you spring from, then?
I came to help. It's all right, Norman. We don't need any more.
Oh, hey! Hey there! Oh!
What's up, Trevor?
There's a wild animal in here! Oh!
Ferdinand! Oh!
What's going... No, man.
Ferdinand, don't go into the water.
Oh, oh, I hope you can swim.
Cheerio, Trevor.
Fine, Norman.
I bet Dillis is wondering where he's got to. Right then. We'd better light the fire now.
And cook the beans. Yeah, just like real cowboys.
Here we go. Matches. Though only adults should use them, of course. Right. Let's get cooking.
Whoa, look, Mr. Evans. They've left a sleeping bag behind. We'll have to go back now.
Oh, Drabbo.
Oh, that looks good. Yeah, lush. Hang on. Here's Trevor coming back.
Well, I'm not so sure about that. Sounds like he's got engine trouble.
I think you better get out, Norman. What's up, Trevor?
I don't know.
Doesn't sound too good to me.
I got an extinguisher inside, I have.
Good man, Trevor. Move out of the way, kids. Leave this to me. Trevor, go to the phone box and phone the fire service, will you? A cup of tea on the table, sir.
Now who needs the fire service? Vehicle on fire at Pandy Lane.
All present and correct, sir.
Right, let's go.
Yes, I think that's it. Oh, well, they're on their way now. Hello? What's this, then?
What you got there, Sam?
Checked your oil recently, Trevor?
Yes.
You left your rag in there.
Oh, Darrow.
Get to work, Fireman Cridlington. I say, what have we here?
Bit of a problem with an oily rag, sir, but it's all right now.
Oh, well, I suppose it's make-up and back to Pontypandy. Whoa, look at the trend.
Great fires of London.
Man the hose reel.
Water on.
Water on.
Well done, man. Knock off and make up.
Oh, Uncle Sam, what are we going to do now?
It's put an end to your camping trip, I should think.
I don't know, sir.
Later on, in Sam's back garden, grub's up you too.
Great! At last! Oh, mega brill!
And for the long, cold night on Pontypandy Trail, a special treat. Central eating.
When